I want you to look down at your feet for just a second. Go ahead. I'll wait. Now let me ask you something. Are the shoes you're wearing right now actually working for you? Or are they quietly working against you in ways you cannot even see? Because here is what nobody in the fashion world wants to say out loud. There are shoes that the majority of women over 60 are wearing every single day that are not just unflattering. They are actually stealing something from you. They are stealing your posture. They are stealing the elegance of your walk. They are stealing the length from your legs and the confidence from your stride. And the worst part? Most of these shoes feel completely normal to wear because everyone around you is wearing them too. Now I am not here to tell you to suffer in stilettos. Absolutely not. Comfort matters deeply, and anyone who tells you otherwise is not your friend. But here is what I want you to understand today. Comfort and chic are not opposites. They never were. And by the time this video is over, you are going to know exactly which shoes to retire and exactly what to replace them with, options that are comfortable, elegant, affordable, and completely modern. Stay with me all the way to number 1, because that one is the shoe that is sitting in almost every woman's closet over 60 right now, and it is doing the most damage of all 7. You are not going to want to miss it. Welcome back, gorgeous. If you have been here before, you already know this is your space. A space built entirely around helping you look and feel like the most elegant version of yourself without spending a fortune to get there. And if this is your very first time here, welcome to Elegance at any age. This channel exists for one reason only. To prove that style does not have an expiration date. That women over 60 are not just still relevant in fashion, they are some of the most beautifully stylish women in the world. And you deserve content that actually speaks to your life, your body, your budget, and your taste. So I am so glad you found us, and I hope you stay. Before we get into all 7, do me a quick favor. If you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell beside it. Every single video on this channel is made specifically for women like you, and you do not want to miss what is coming. And if you have strong feelings about shoes, and I have a feeling you do, drop a comment below and tell me your absolute favorite pair right now. I read every comment, and I genuinely love hearing from this community. Alright, beautiful. Let us talk about shoe. Alright, let us get right into it. 7 shoes that are quietly aging you, and the simple, elegant, affordable alternatives that will change everything about the way you look and feel from the ground up. Number 1, the worn-out walking shoe with no shape left. And we are starting here because this is the one. The one that is sitting in more closets over 60 than any other shoe on this entire list. And I say this with so much love because I completely understand how it happens. It started as a perfectly good shoe. Maybe it was a decent sneaker, or a supportive walking shoe that you absolutely loved when you first bought it. It felt good on your feet. It went with everything. It became your everyday shoe. And then you wore it. And wore it. And wore it some more. Until the sole wore down unevenly on one side. Until the shape of the toe collapsed forward. Until the back of the heel got crushed down from being stepped on one too many times. Until the color faded and the fabric pilled and the cushioning inside flattened completely. Until every bit of the original structure that made it a good shoe in the first place was simply gone. And yet it stayed in the rotation. Because it is familiar. Because replacing it feels like an unnecessary expense when it technically still goes on your foot and comes back off again. But here is what that shoe is actually costing you every single day. Your posture. A worn-down sole changes the way your foot strikes the ground. That change travels upward and affects the alignment of your ankle, your knee, your hip, and your lower back. The impact on how you stand and how you walk is completely real, and over time it is significant. And beyond the physical cost, a visibly worn-out shoe communicates something about your entire outfit even when everything else you are wearing is absolutely perfect. It tells the eye that the details were not checked. And the details always matter. The chic alternative *1 solid well-chosen replacement pair. You do not need a closet full of shoes. You need 5 to 7 pairs that are in excellent condition, that fit your foot properly, that support your feet the way they deserve to be supported, and that look completely intentional when you walk out the door. A clean white sneaker. A classic loafer. A block heel pump. A simple slide sandal. A good ankle boot. These are the 5 pillars of an elegant shoe wardrobe over 60, and not a single one of them needs to cost a fortune. But they do need to be in good shape. And they do need to be replaced when their time has honestly come. Number 2, the overly casual flip-flop. Before you even think about skipping ahead, stay with me on this one because I know this might feel personal, and I want you to hear me out completely. Flip-flops absolutely have their place. The beach. The pool. A quick morning walk to collect the newspaper or water the garden. In those moments, flip-flops make complete sense and nobody is taking them away from you. But the flat rubber flip-flop worn as an everyday shoe. Worn to lunch. Worn while running errands. Worn to casual social gatherings and weekend outings. That is where this shoe quietly becomes one of the most aging footwear choices a woman over 60 can make. And the reason goes much deeper than just appearance. The flip-flop has absolutely zero structure. It offers no support to the arch, the heel, or the ankle. And over time with regular wear, walking in flip-flops actually physically changes your gait. Because the shoe has nothing to hold it to your foot, you begin without even realizing it to shorten your stride and shuffle slightly forward just to keep the shoe from flying off with every step. That shuffle, that small almost invisible shortening of the stride, affects your entire posture. It rounds the shoulders slightly. It shortens the neck. It takes away the tall, confident, easy walk that is one of the most beautiful and ageless things about a well-dressed woman. And beyond the physical effect, the flip-flop in almost every context outside of water and sand simply reads as unfinished. And you are far too elegant for unfinished. The chic alternative *, a supportive slide sandal or a cushioned mule. A well-made slide in leather or quality faux leather gives you every bit of the easy slip-on convenience that makes the flip-flop so appealing. But it comes with a structured sole, proper arch support, and an appearance that is completely, undeniably polished. Look for slides in soft neutral tones, warm metallics or classic black. They are just as effortless to wear. They are just as comfortable on a warm day. But they are chic. And chic is always the goal. Number 3, the wide-toe orthopedic clog. Now I want to be very clear before we go any further on this one. Foot health is not a small thing. It is not a vanity thing. Your feet carry you through your entire life, and if your feet need specific support, you honor that. Full stop. But the classic wide-toe orthopedic clog, the boxy, heavily structured, wide-fronted shoe that looks like it belongs more in a medical setting than in a stylish wardrobe, is one that women over 60 should be very thoughtful and very intentional about choosing, because the good news is you no longer have to choose between support and style. The wide rounded toe combined with the thick platform sole, and the heavy clog shape creates a significant visual weight at the foot that shortens the leg dramatically. It pulls the entire silhouette downward. And it carries a very strong visual association with purely practical dressing, the kind that communicates that style was not part of the consideration at all. And you are here, watching this, which tells me style is absolutely part of your consideration. The chic alternative *, a supportive sneaker, or a cushioned loafer with a streamlined modern shape. The orthopedic footwear industry has genuinely transformed in recent years, and there are now incredible options that house full orthopedic insoles, wide-fit construction and proper arch support inside a shoe that looks completely current and elegant. Vionic, Naturalizer, Clarks and several very affordable Amazon brands all offer options that fit this description beautifully. You get everything your feet need. And you look wonderful getting it. Number 4, the overly embellished sandal. Warm weather means sandal season, and sandal season is genuinely one of the best times of year for elegant dressing. But there is a specific version of the sandal that has become incredibly popular among women over 60, that is very quietly working against the sophistication of every outfit it is paired with. This is the sandal covered in large plastic or silk flowers across the toe strap. The one loaded with oversized rhinestones that catch every light in the room. The one with chunky bows, heavy decorative chains or layers of ornamental hardware spread across the entire front of the shoe. The ones that are so visually busy that the moment you walk into a room the eye goes straight down to your feet and simply stays there. And here is the core issue with that. You want the eye to travel upward. You want attention moving toward your face, toward your smile, toward the warmth and the confidence and the beauty that you bring into every room you enter. A shoe that is louder than everything else in the outfit is pulling that attention in the exact wrong direction. It is working against you even while you think it is dressing you up. The chic alternative *, a minimalist sandal with one single refined detail. A thin strap in a warm metallic finish. A delicate barely there ankle strap in nude or tan. A clean modern slide-style sandal in white, soft gold or cognac. Quiet. Refined. Intentional. These sandals do not compete with your outfit. They complete it. And they let you, the actual most beautiful thing in the room, be the thing everyone notices first. We are right in the heart of this list, and I just want to take one quick second here. If you are watching this and you are already mentally walking through your own shoe closet right now, that means this video is doing exactly what it was made to do. Please hit the like button for me right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this video reach so many more women who need to hear exactly this. And if you have a girlfriend, a sister, a neighbor, any woman in your life over 60 who loves fashion and style, please share this video with her today. It would genuinely mean the world. Now let us finish strong because we have 3 more, and they are just as important. Number 5, the shapeless slip-on flat. This is the shoe that lives permanently by the front door of almost every home. The one you reach for automatically when you are heading out quickly. The one that works with everything because it brings absolutely nothing to the table on its own. The simple shapeless slip-on flat in plain black or plain beige with a completely flat sole, no arch, no structure, no detail, no shape. And here is the honest truth about this shoe. It is not offensive. It is not ugly. It is simply invisible. And invisible, when it comes to style, is never where you want to be. When a shoe has no shape, no structure, no detail of any kind, it disappears underneath the outfit in a way that makes the entire look feel like it stopped just before it was finished. It is the style equivalent of a beautiful painting with no frame. Everything is there but something is clearly, quietly missing. The shoe is what is missing. And beyond the aesthetic issue, a completely flat structureless sole with zero arch support is genuinely hard on your feet over the course of a full day. After 60, your arches need support. Your heels need cushioning. And a shoe that offers neither is going to affect your energy, your comfort and your posture long before the day is done. The chic alternative *, a structured loafer, or an almond toe flat with a slight cushion sole. Loafers are one of the biggest style moments happening in fashion right now, and they are absolutely made for women over 60. A sleek leather or faux leather loafer in black, tan, cream, white or a rich metallic gives you every bit of the ease and the slip-on convenience you love, but with visual interest, structure and a sophistication that elevates every single outfit it touches. Pair it with straight leg trousers, a flowing midi skirt, or dark well-fitted jeans and suddenly the whole look is polished, intentional and completely chic. Number 6, the overly pointed stiletto. Now I know this one is going to raise some eyebrows, and I want to be very thoughtful about how I say this because the stiletto is a legendary shoe. It is powerful. It is glamorous. And on the right occasion it is still an absolutely valid choice for any woman at any age. But here is the specific truth about the very high extremely pointed stiletto as an everyday shoe after 60. It is not the height that is the problem. It is what the shoe does to your walk. After 60 our sense of balance shifts naturally. Our gait changes in small but real ways. And when a shoe demands your complete concentration with every single step just to stay upright and move forward safely, that concentration shows in the body. The walk becomes careful. It becomes measured and slightly rigid. The stride shortens. The shoulders tighten. And a careful tightened walk, no matter how beautiful and expensive the shoe creating it is, adds visible years in a way that almost nothing else does quite as effectively. Because true elegance is always carried in the movement. A woman who walks with ease and confidence and a long unhurried stride looks ageless regardless of what she is wearing. And a shoe that takes that ease away from you is simply not earning its place in your wardrobe. The chic alternative *, a block heel pump, or a kitten heel in a classic neutral tone. A 2-inch block heel gives you every single benefit of the stiletto. The elevation. The leg lengthening effect. The dressed-up feeling. The femininity. But it gives you all of that on a stable, grounded base that lets you walk the way you deserve to walk. Tall. Easy. Confident. Unhurried. Like a woman who owns every room she moves through. Look for them in nude, classic black, soft taupe or deep burgundy, and watch how effortlessly they work with everything in your wardrobe. Number 7, the thick sole Velcro sneaker. And we finish here because this shoe is everywhere, and the reason women reach for it is completely understandable and completely valid. Your feet need comfort. Your joints need support. You want something you can get on and off without bending down and struggling. All of that makes absolute sense, and your comfort is never something to apologize for. But the thick sole Velcro sneaker, particularly the ones in bright white or pale beige with a wide boxy shape and heavy Velcro straps across the front, does something very specific and very consistent to the overall look of a woman over 60. It anchors the foot heavily and visually to the ground. It creates a thick visual block at the bottom of the leg that makes the leg look shorter and the body look heavier than it actually is. And it introduces a strong clinical or purely functional energy into the outfit that no amount of beautiful clothing above it can fully overcome. You could be wearing the most perfectly fitted trousers and a beautifully chosen blouse with lovely jewelry, and the moment that shoe enters the picture, the entire narrative of the outfit shifts. It stops reading as a stylish put-together woman and starts reading as someone who prioritized function completely over form. And you do not have to choose between those two things. You genuinely never did. The chic alternative *, a supportive slip-on sneaker with a slim clean profile. The sneaker market has absolutely exploded with options that deliver genuine comfort, real support, and easy wear in a silhouette that is sleek, modern, and completely elegant. Look for slim-soled options in clean white leather, soft gray, classic navy, or warm tan. Skechers, Clarks, New Balance, and countless Amazon options now offer exactly this combination at very accessible prices. A slim sole and a clean, uncluttered upper does something remarkable to the leg line. It lengthens it. It lightens the whole look. And it lets the rest of your beautiful outfit speak the way it was always meant to. And there you have it. 7 shoes that have been quietly working against you, and 7 chic, comfortable, completely affordable alternatives that are going to change the way you look and feel every single time you walk out that door. Because I want you to really hear this before you go. The right shoes are not just a fashion choice. They are a posture choice. They are a confidence choice. They are a health choice. The right shoes change the way you carry yourself. They change the length of your stride. They change the energy you bring into every room. And you deserve shoes that are completely, fully working for you in every single way. Now talk to me in the comments. Which one of these 7 shoes do you currently have in your closet? Be completely honest, because this is a safe and loving space, and I genuinely want to know. And if you are planning to make a swap after watching this, tell me which one. I read every single comment, and I love this community so deeply. If this video added value to your day, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a woman you love who deserves to hear this. And if you are not yet part of this community, please subscribe right now and tap the bell so you never miss a single video. You are elegant. You are timeless. You are absolutely worth every bit of the effort. And I will see you in the next one.